a construction worker on the third floor of an unfinished building. He needed a handsaw but was too lazy to go down and get it himself. He tried to call his fellow worker on the ground to get it from him, but this guy could not hear a word he said. So he started to give a sign so the guy on the ground could understand him. First, he pointed at his eyes, meaning eye, then pointed at his knees, meaning need, and moved his hand back and forth, describing the movement of a handsaw. Finally, the guy on the ground started nodding his head like he understood, and then dropped his pants and started to off. The guy on the third floor got pissed off and ran down to the ground and started yelling at this guy. "You idiot! I was trying to tell you I needed a handsaw." The other guy replied, "I know, I was trying to tell you that I was coming."